Hey guys, welcome to the study zone. So this is our second session for the basic mathematics. If you have not attended yesterday's session, then I'll put this video on a YouTube channel and I will keep a link for the part 1. Okay, fine. Let's start with the next topic. So yesterday we discussed 48 formula for the trigonometry which are very useful for your physics understanding. Fine. Now let us go ahead. Now next concept is sine alpha plus beta. Remember, sine alpha plus beta is not sine alpha plus sine beta. It has a different form. The formula for this is sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sine beta. You can remember by SCCS. SCCS, sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sine beta. Let us understand by example. Suppose I want to find sine 90. We all know that sine 90 is 1. Sine 90 can be written as sine 60 plus 30. So 60 is your alpha, 30 is your beta. Now what is the formula? Sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sine beta. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. So that will be 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. That is 1. We know sine 90 is 1. I just explained how to use sine alpha plus beta. You will use this formula many times in physics. Remember, it has proof also. But right now we are not worrying about the proof because this is the basic mathematics lecture which is useful for physics. Not a session for mathematics only. Second formula is cos alpha plus beta. That formula is cos alpha cos beta minus sine alpha sine beta. You can remember by CC minus SS. C for cos, S for sine. So cos alpha plus beta is cos alpha cos beta minus sine alpha sine beta. You can use that same concept. We can find cos 90 by using this formula and we know the answer is 0. Cos 90 is 0. Third formula is for tan alpha plus beta. That formula is tan alpha plus tan beta upon 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. One minus tan alpha tan beta. You write down this formula many times so that you can be very comfortable. So there are 3 formulas of alpha plus beta. Sine alpha plus beta is sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sine beta. Cos alpha plus beta is cos alpha cos beta minus sine alpha sine beta. Tan alpha plus beta is tan alpha plus tan beta upon 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. Now it is the time for sine alpha minus beta formula. I am just making minor change here so that you can be comfortable. See here, sine alpha minus beta. See this part, sine alpha minus beta. The formula is sine alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sine beta. So if we have plus, then we have plus in between. If we have minus on the left side, then we have minus on the right side. Same way for cos alpha minus beta. See this part. The formula is cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. So when we have plus on the left side for cos, we have minus on the right side. When we have minus on the left side, we have plus on the right side. The third formula is tan alpha minus beta. See this part. That is tan alpha minus tan beta 1 plus tan alpha tan beta. I hope you are very comfortable. So there are totally 6 formula. You have to remember this 6 formula. So sin alpha plus beta is what? Sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. Now suppose we have alpha and beta same. Let it be theta. So what happens on the left side? Sin theta plus theta. What happens on right side? Sin theta cos theta plus cos theta sin theta. So left side would be sin 2 theta, and right side you can see that sin theta cos theta and again sin theta cos theta. So it is 2 times sin theta cos theta. So we have one more formula which is very useful in physics, that is sin 2 theta formula. This formula. Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. This is also known as half angle formula. Which formula? Half angle. The reason for it to be half angle is on the left side we have 2 theta. Here angle is 2 theta. You can see that. And here angle is theta. So sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta into cos theta. Let us understand by example. For example, suppose I want to find sin 60. We know answer is root 3 by 2. So we can write it as a sin 2 into 30. So this 30 is our theta. So formula of sin 2 theta, that is 2 sin theta into cos theta. Sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. You can see that 2 to cancel, so answer is root 3 by 2. This is called half angle formula. Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta into cos theta. Remember, for the 10th standard students, it seems a bit difficult, but it is very crucial and important. You can't ignore it. I've seen students who have completed 11th and doing it again. Okay, so do it thoroughly. This is the right time to do it. So formula for sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta into cos theta. Same way, we have the formula of cos alpha plus beta. What is that formula? Cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. Okay, let us assume that alpha and beta are same. Let it be theta. So left side would be cos 2 theta, right side cos theta sin theta sin theta. So it will be cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, this is also called half angle formula because angle has been reduced to half. Angle has been reduced to half. That is why it is called half angle formula. Okay. Now, there are two other forms of this formula. If I place cos square equal to 1 minus sine square, that is a basic identity you studied in 8, 9, 10 standard. Then you can see that it is 1 minus 2 sine square theta. So what is cos 2 theta? 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Okay. Now, if I place sine square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta, then you will get third form of the formula. That is 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1. So cos 2 theta has three forms. Cos square theta minus sine square theta, 1 minus 2 sine square theta, and 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay. Same way, formula for the tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. Remember, these all are called half angle formula because angle has been reduced to half. Left side we have 2 theta, right side we have theta. At last I will give you summary of all the formula. Okay. Remember, it is not necessary to have 2 theta on the left side. Let us discuss few examples. Like suppose you have sine 4a, here angle is 4a, then you can write 2 sine 2a into cos 2a. Formula is 2 sine theta cos theta only. Ultimately, angle should be half here. Okay. Suppose you have only theta, then you can write it as a 2 sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Angle should be half here. Mathematics students will study proof of all this formula. But at this moment, it is difficult for you to understand the proof. Okay. Now I will give you sine 3 theta formula. Sometimes you will use 3 theta formula also. So this is 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. You have to remember this. If you want to do proof of this, you can do. You can write 3 theta as a 2 theta plus theta, then expand it. Again, use the formula of 2 theta, but it is not required at this moment. Cos 3 theta is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. And tan 3 theta. You don't require this formula. So not advisable to do it at this moment. You just do this two only. 3 theta and 2 theta formula. Fine. Okay. So now so far what we have done, we have discussed alpha plus beta formula, sin alpha plus beta, cos alpha plus beta, tan alpha plus beta, then alpha minus beta, alpha for sin, cos and tan, then half angle formula and 3 theta formula. Is it okay? Now so far till 10th standard, we were dealing with the degree for measurement of the angle. But in SI system, that is System International, we measure angle in radian only. Radian is a unit of angle measurement. Now 1 radian means what? Suppose we have radius of 1 let it be 10 centimeter. Suppose we have a radius of 10 centimeter. Now if you draw a arc of length 10 centimeter, if this arc is also 10 centimeter, then this angle will be 1 radian, which comes to around 57.3 degree approximately. Now we will measure angle in radian only. Pi radian, you must have heard about pi. Pi is an irrational number whose approximate value is 22.7. Sorry, 22 by 7. That is approximately 3.14. Is an irrational number. Pi radian is 180 degree. We know one radian is 57 degree approximately. So if somebody asks what is 1 radian angle, then you should draw an arc whose length is equal to the radius. If length of radius and arc are same, then angle must be 1 radian. You have to remember this. Pi radian is 180 degree. Pi by 2 radian means 90 degree. Pi by 4 radian means 45 degree. Pi by 3 radian means pi means 180. Easiest way to remember is pi, you replace pi by 180. Pi by 6 radian means 30 degree. Now suppose you have angle pi by 4, 5 pi by 4. So we know that pi by 4 means 45. So 45 pi that is 225 degree. But now onwards we'll discuss angle in radian only. That is 5 pi by 4. So 5 pi by 4 means 225. Suppose we have 7 pi by 3. Pi by 3 means 60 degree. That is 210 degree. So if I see the quadrant, then this is 0 radian. If I measure angle with x-axis, let y be the vertical line be the y-axis, then this is 90 degree. That is pi by 2 radian. You should be very comfortable with the identification of angle by radian. 90 means pi by 2. Whenever you are confused, suppose you are given angle 135 and you want to convert it into radian, then what you need to do, you need to multiply it by pi by 180. Pi by 180. If you multiply it by pi by 180, it will be converted into radian. It is 45 3s and this is 45 4s. That is 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4. Let me write the formula. Angle in radian equal to angle in degree into pi by 180. Same way, if you make angle in degree as a subject, then it will be angle into radian into 180 by pi. Do this formula many times so that anytime you can get angle in radian easily. This is pi radian. Pi radian means 180. This is 270 means 3 pi by 2. We reach back, that is 360, that is 2 pi radian. That is 2 pi radian. So yesterday we have studied this formula of 90 minus theta. The same formula can be written as pi by 2 minus theta. This can be written as a 90 plus theta. The same can be written in radian by pi by 2 plus theta. It is 270 minus theta. That same can be written as 3 pi by 2 minus theta. This is 270 plus theta. Then this will be 3 pi by 2 plus theta. If you missed yesterday's session, then I will keep a link of yesterday's session in a description box. Right? Without fail, go through it. So for practice only, I am giving you few angle in radian converted into degree, like pi radian, 3 pi by 2, 7 pi by 6, 8 pi by 3, 10 pi by 4. You just find the respective degree in angle for practice. Same way, let us convert degree angle into radian, like 150 degree, 270 degree, 300 degree, 330 degree, 360 degree, 405 degree. You convert all this angle into radian. Fine. Use that formula. Do it, because if you are more comfortable in the basic mathematics, you will be very much comfortable in physics. And it is a must concept for all of you. You must be comfortable with all these basic concepts of mathematics. I hope you have written all this. Now let us do some practice. This is 0. Let this angle be 30 degree. That is pi by 6 radian. This is 60. That is 2 pi by 6 radian. Now I'm adding pi by 6. This is 3 pi by 6. This is 4 pi by 6. This is 5 pi by 6. You add 30. That is 6 pi by 6. You can see that 6 cancel. It is pi. That will continue. Fine. This will be 2 pi. That will be 12 pi by 6. So when we find 12 pi by 6, we'll reach back to x-axis. That is 2 pi. When we reach here again, it will be 13 pi by 6. Again adding 14 pi by 6, 15 pi by 6, 16 pi by 6, 17 pi by 6, 18 pi by 6, adding pi by 6 in all this angle. Fine. Same way for pi by 4. Pi by 4 means 45 degree. Pi by 3 means 60 degree. This is pi by 4, that is 45. This is 2 pi by 4. This is 3 pi by 4. This is 4 pi by 4. 5 pi by 4. 6 pi by 4. This is 7 pi by 4. 8 pi by 4. Then this will be 9 pi by 4. Okay? Do practice. If you have any query, you can write that query in comment box. Remember, we are doing this work of around 2 months. It is very difficult for you to digest at this moment, but it's very useful. You can't ignore it. I'm giving you few angles. You just locate it on axis, x-axis and y-axis. You just find out 101 pi by 3. Where is it? Then 52 pi by 4. Then 17 pi by 6. Then you find out 23 pi by 4. Right? More practice will make you more comfortable. So let us revise what we have done so far. The first thing is we have discussed the formula of alpha plus beta. I'm writing that formula again. The formula is sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sine beta. Then what is the formula of sine alpha minus beta? Sine alpha minus beta is sine alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sine beta. Just we have to change the sign. Then formula for cos alpha plus beta. The formula for cos alpha plus beta is cos alpha cos beta minus sine alpha sine beta. Now, if we change the sign on the left side, we have to change sign on the right side also. Remember, for everything we have proof. What is formula for tan alpha plus beta? The formula for tan alpha plus beta is tan alpha plus tan beta upon 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. Now, if we have tan alpha minus beta, the formula will be tan alpha minus tan beta upon 1 plus tan alpha tan beta. So this 6 formula we have discussed. Then we have discussed half angle formula. Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta into cos theta. Cos 2 theta is cos square theta minus sin square theta. Or another form is 2 cos square theta minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Remember, these are half angle formula. Half angle formula. It means whatever angle we have on the left side, suppose we have theta only, then cos theta will be cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2, or 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. The formula for tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. Fine. Then we have studied the formula for sin 3 theta. There are many trigonometric formula for math students, but right now we are discussing the most crucial formula which we are going to use in physics. Sin 3 theta is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Cos 3 theta is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Okay. And at last we have studied angle in radian. So how to get angle in radian? The formula for that is angle in degree into pi upon 180. Suppose we have 60 degree, then 60 into pi upon 180, that will be pi by 3 radian. Okay. So that's it for today. In next session, we'll discuss few more formula and we'll understand the application of it. Fine.